people, Yinka here, and today is all about how I seal my ends, my box braided bob situation that I have going on. Hi girl, how you doing? Okay. My hair is already cut, but there are a few pieces that are still too long that keeps falling on this side that I'm going to seal and cut for you. Is seal even the proper term for it? Seal it, burn, whatever you want to call it. Oh, before we get started, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and also follow me on Twitter. I just joined Twitter this week, so make sure you follow me there. It's exciting because I'm still learning. It's like a whole new world there. A whole new world. It's way different from every other social media platform, which I love. I wish I was on Twitter years ago. I feel like I would have been like a professional Twitterer, if that's even like a term. I don't know, because you know, I feel like I would understand it better. Like I'm still learning. Okay, I'm still learning. But yes, follow me on Twitter at AskOyinkan. The name is right here, somewhere over here. I'm doing it with a curling iron because I can't find my flat iron, and I find that, girl, I am hot with this blazer on, but I'm fad.
I am fabulous.
Like, I don't care that I'm hot because I'm fat. I'm gonna spray some glitter spray because one, I'm a glitter spray lover. Two, I just feel like my body cools down a little bit more with a cool spray on my body. It might be mental, but I don't care. Whatever works to make me feel or think I'm cooler in temperature. Okay, so I'm using a curling iron because this is the flat iron method, but I'm using a curling iron because I can't find my flat iron. I haven't straightened my hair in 50,000 years. My last relaxer was December 2019, so... And then I haven't straightened my hair. I probably straightened my hair for like a year or two after that. But then after that, I just stopped straightening my hair. This hair, let me tell you, I wasn't going to say this term, let me tell you. This girl, gosh, this hairstylist that was supposed to be professional. While I was still transitioning from relaxed to natural, she straightened my hair and girl, she gave me heat damage. I had to go back over and grow it back out, cut, grow it back out, cut, and it's and after that, I was just like, I'm not straightening my hair no more. I'm not opposed to doing it now. I'm just waiting a little longer. Maybe when I turn 30, I don't know. One day I'll straighten my hair again. I've been saying that every year and I still don't do it. Since college, I've been saying I'm gonna straighten my hair again and I still don't do it. So, this is a piece that keeps falling on this side. So I'm just gonna like grab the curling iron. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It like broke. Okay, I'm gonna have to be careful because now we bootleg.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
I've had this curling iron since college, so maybe high school, who knows. Gotta be real careful with it because the plastic thing is broken. All you're gonna need is a curling iron or a flat iron, a pair of scissors. That's it. Simple. And I'm gonna tell you why I like this method better than burning your hair with a lighter or in the stove, or however you burn your hair when you do box braids that you wanna cut up into a style. Let me just see if this thing is gonna break again. So you do not cut first. You use the heating tool first and then you cut afterwards. That is key. If you cut first, it's going to unravel and it's harder to keep up with it and make it be braided all the way to the end. I've made that mistake with several of them, like this one, hence why it's like loose a little bit because I cut first. So don't make the mistakes I did. So pieces like this and this I have to cut, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm just putting it right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit there, right, for a while. Because I know that I'm gonna wanna cut it like right in between, like right here, but you'll see. What was I gonna tell you guys? I forgot.
So you ain't supposed to forget things like that now.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna squeeze this one in here also, just to like do it all in one shot. Yeah, I totally forgot what I said I was gonna tell. The reason, okay, so the reason that I prefer this over burning with a lighter is because when you burn your weave with a lighter, sometimes it pulls on the clothing. I've experienced that a lot where it pulls on my clothes. A few of my clothes have like just pulling all over here from previous years of me wearing box braided bobs. Oh my gosh, this one has to be cut too. I don't know if you can see this. The weave melts onto the curling iron. So utilize one you don't care about. I don't care about this because I really haven't straightened my hair in forever, and when I do straighten my hair again, I might buy a whole new heating tool, so who knows? This method, it's not a very harsh hold. It holds just enough for the braid not to unravel, but it's not so harsh to where it's hard and it's pulling on your clothes. Like, that is key for me because I do not like, I do not like anything messing with my clothes. I like to keep my clothes for a very long time. This blazer, for example, I've had since college. And girl, I graduated college 2014. Like, I like to keep my items. I like to keep my things. I don't like to waste money on clothes or things and then just like throw it out because something is wrong with it. I like to keep things. Of course, I don't keep every single item, but I do keep some things. A lot of things, actually. A lot. This is why I like to do things that keeps me from messing my clothes up. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I'm just gonna let it sit. How you like that? Boom, boom, boom. How you like that? That's always stuck in my head from TikTok. I love a bob. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been so hot. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for this bob situation. I've had it for a while now. I just haven't made like a video while wearing it yet. But now you see it! I don't know what other videos to make, but I do want to post on YouTube more often. I really want to know what you guys want to see on my channel, so we can, so I can create content that you guys want to see as well, especially in a time when I'm just like, I have no clue. Let's see if it is melted a little bit. Yep, it is, I think. In the middle point of it being melted from here to here, I'm gonna cut it right here, just so this does not unravel. Easy. And now I'm not gonna have random long strands just coming out of nowhere, minding my business. Whew. Just wanted to share that quick tip in case anyone did not know how to burn or seal their ends without using fire. I think this is a safe, easy way to do it without using fire and to keep your clothes from messing up, from being pulled from the box braids. Okay, let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. I have the same handle at AskOyinkan that you see. The same YouTube name is the same name as Twitter, as Instagram. So make sure you add me over there as well. Yeah, and also check my other videos somewhere over here, girl. Check it out. 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 Check it out.